Hello, welcome to Laser Etched Family Crests. My name is Ken. I am the Digital Services Specialist at the Barrington Area Library. Here are some examples of the family crests that we will be making today. They measure approximately 3.75 by 2.75 inches, and they will be made using Baltic birch wood. If you have any questions along the way, please email me at digitalservices@balibrary.org. Today we have a very simple tutorial, but it will require installing the free software Inkscape on your computer. So go to inkscape.org in a web browser and then hover over the download option and then click current version. So today I'm going to be using Inkscape 1.0. So let's choose your operating system. If you have Windows, click on Windows. And then depending on your computer, you will either choose the 32-bit or 64-bit. Most newer computers have 64-bit, so go ahead and click on that. And then click on Installer in exe format. And then follow the prompts to install it the rest of the way. If you have a Mac computer, then go ahead and click on Mac over here. And because I'm on a Mac right now, it is installing. After the file downloads, follow the prompts to finish the installation. Next, let's download a template from our website. Go to balibrary.org and then scroll down the home page. Under Upcoming Events, click on the option that says Register and View All Programs. This will take you to our events calendar. In the keyword search, just search for Family Crests. And then go ahead and click on the event here. Now scroll down the page. Under Program Description, you'll see that there's a link here that says Download the templates via Google Drive. Go ahead and click this link. And then on this page, you will see the three templates that we have. The first is a bird. The second is a fleur-de-lis. And the third is a lion. So go ahead and pick your favorite design and then click the download button in the upper left corner. Now this file is going to be in your downloads folder. Okay, so now I'm in Inkscape. In order to get that template into Inkscape, we will go up to the File menu and then go ahead and click Open. And then navigate to your Downloads folder and you'll see the template is the most recent thing that you downloaded. Go ahead and click Open. And now we have the template inside of Inkscape. So depending on your view, you might not see the whole template right away. Go ahead and hit the 5 key on your keyboard. Hitting the 5 key will give us an automatic zoom so that we can see the full document. You'll notice a very faint line in the shape of the crest. This is the shape that the laser cutter is going to cut out. Everything in black here is what the laser cutter is going to etch onto the wood. So really the only thing we're going to edit about this design is your name. So in order to do that, go ahead and choose the text tool, which is the letter A over here. Once you have that tool selected, then you can go over to where it says name here, and then you can click at the end of the box, and then you can delete name, and then type in your last name. So once you've typed your last name in here, then we can go and choose a good font that we want. All you need to do is come up to the font list here and click inside this box. And then now you can use the up and down arrows to toggle through and find a font that you like. Okay, so I found a font that I like. Now, depending on your font, you may want to increase or decrease the font size. I think mine is okay, but if you do want to change the font size, then you can come up to this drop-down menu and choose a different font size. So after you have a font you like and a good size, the last step is going to be to center this on the document. Go over to the toolbar and choose this top selection tool. And then now you can move this text box freely, but you can also center it exactly on the page. So over here we see the Align and Distribute menu. If you don't see that, then you can go up to the Object toolbar and then click on Align and Distribute, and this menu will pop up. So we want to align this text relative to the whole page here. So go ahead and choose Page from this dropdown. And then go ahead and choose the Center on Vertical Axis option. And so this will center your name exactly in the center. Now, if you wanted to move it up or down so that it's not too close to either of these lines, then go ahead and select your name and the box will appear around it. And now you can nudge the text box up and down by pressing the up and down arrows on your keyboard. Okay, I think my design looks great, and so I'm ready to save. All you need to do is go up to File, and then choose Save As. So go ahead and title your document your first and last name, just so I know who it's for. And then in the file type, please save it as a PDF document. So choose PDF from this list here, and then save it somewhere on your computer. So go ahead and click Save, and then after you save it, you're going to want to attach that file to an email, and please send those emails to digitalservices@balibrary.org. Thanks so much for completing today's tutorial. Take care.